Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to solve the practice problem combinational logic. So basically, we are given a combination of logic gates over here and we just need to write this properly in the code and we need to get the output for it. Okay, so first let us understand the combination that is given to us. So basically not A, so we would be writing it like this. Okay, now over here we have a dot. Okay, dot means and. Okay, and is represented with this symbol. Okay, then we have a plus, right? So basically plus is referred to or. Okay, and or is referred with this dash. Okay, so I hope the logics are clear to you. Okay, and we just need to write this statement with return and we can easily get the final output. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve this question. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school. Okay, after that find the problem combinational logic. Okay, I hope the code is, concept of what we have to do is clear to you. Now let's move forward. Let's solve the question. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Construct a 6-input gate which performs the following logical operation: not A and B, or C and D, then or E and not F. Okay, and where A, B, C, D, E and F are the inputs to the 6-input gates. Okay, I hope this is clear to you and you guys have no doubt. We would be coding the solution over here. So let's start. Let's solve it. Okay, so we just need to print the logic. So let's write return. Then I need to start with circular bracket, another circular bracket, another circular bracket. Okay, over here it would be A. Okay, that is not A. Then over here I need to add B. Okay, after this I need a or, right? Or then again circular brackets. Over here it would be C and D. Okay, after this another or. Okay, then a circular bracket E. Okay, after E we have a and, right? 1 minute. After E I have a and. Okay, after this circular brackets not. Okay, and over here I would write F. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you how I have written the logic. Now we need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let's wait. Let's see if it is correct or not. Compilation is completed and the problem is solved successfully. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned how to solve the practice problem combinational logic. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.